Cardano has recently experienced a sharp decline in price, leading to widespread discussions within the cryptocurrencies community. According to recent charts and community posts, there has been a nearly 13% decrease in ADA over the previous 7 days. What's behind Cardano's recent price decline? And is it a buying opportunity or a warning sign for investors? What critical factors are influencing this downturn, and how might it impact the future of the cryptocurrency? These are questions that are lingering in the minds of thousands of investors who are glued to the ADA chart, especially during times like these. In today's video, I'll be addressing these questions, and I'm going to be sharing the latest price-boosting updates on Cardano, including how you still have a great chance of becoming a millionaire from this cryptocurrency. I've invested a lot of time into researching this video, so make sure to watch the whole thing to get all the essential price-boosting information and maximize your gains. Welcome to Green Hair Crypto, your everyday crypto update. If you are into crypto, this is the place to be. Subscribe now for daily and accurate crypto news, predictions, and get the insights you need to make smart investments. Before we jump into the news, let's check Cardano's price on October 4th. Today, Cardano is valued at 35 cents. This coin has decreased 13% in the last 7 days, with a trading volume of $296 million and a market cap of $12.2 billion, ranking it as the 11th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Be aware that these prices may no longer be accurate when you watch this video, and this information is not intended as financial advice. Before diving into the Cardano news, let's first examine the broader crypto market. This information is directly related to Cardano. Peter Schiff, a well-known critic of Bitcoin, is once again sounding the alarm, claiming that the digital asset is in a bear market. Schiff notes that Bitcoin has underperformed dramatically when compared to gold, noting that since its peak almost 3 years ago, the price of the cryptocurrency has dropped by roughly 40%. Schiff gives holders a direct message. Bitcoin's ongoing difficulties may indicate that investors are failing to acknowledge the realities of the market. Schiff contends that although Bitcoin is presently holding above the crucial $60,000 support level, this is only a temporary state of affairs. Schiff claims that the weakness of Bitcoin in comparison to gold is becoming more obvious as long as global macroeconomic conditions continue to place a significant burden on risk assets like Bitcoin. However, information gathered by Glassnode offers a more complex picture of the recent behavior of the Bitcoin market. About 4 to 5% of all net capital inflows into Bitcoin since the beginning of January can be linked to US spot ETFs. Given that the cost basis of these ETFs varies from $54,900 to $59,100, many institutional investors who made their initial investment in these funds are now getting close to the break-even psychological point. Ethereum at risk of further decline. Top investor sets $2,150 target if support breaks. Ethereum has seen a 15% drop since hitting its recent high of $2,729 last Friday, leaving analysts and investors feeling frustrated with the price action. Many expected the bullish trend to continue, but Ethereum has struggled to maintain upward momentum. Concerns are mounting as some market observers predict a deeper decline, possibly falling to yearly lows around $2,150 if the current support level fails to hold. This has reignited fear and uncertainty across the market as Ethereum's price sends mixed signals. The recent decline has shaken confidence, and market participants anxiously await a clear direction. Analysts are closely watching Ethereum's next move and whether it can reclaim support levels to resume an upward trajectory. The coming days are expected to be crucial for Ethereum's price action, with investors bracing for heightened volatility in response to these shifting market conditions. If you're still viewing, don't forget to show some love and hit the like button. Your support helps us create more content. And stay with me to learn about the latest news on Cardano. According to AM Crypto's technical analysis, ADA appeared bearish as it formed a bearish pin bar candle, touching the resistance from the descending trend line at press time. The formation of such a candlestick pattern on the daily chart is considered a bearish signal, which traders and investors take into account when building short positions. Since April 2024, ADA has touched this resistance level multiple times, and each time it faced selling pressure. However, this time, the crypto community expects a similar selling pressure and price decline. Based on the recent price action, if ADA closes a daily candle below the $0.3912 level, there is a strong possibility it could decline by 20% to reach the 31 cents level in the coming days. However, this bearish thesis will only hold as long as ADA is trading below the 42 cents level. If it breaches this level, the bearish outlook may fail. ADA is bearish on-chain. This negative sentiment for ADA was further supported by on-chain metrics. According to the on-chain analytic firm CoinGlass, ADA's long/short ratio was 0.93 at press time, indicating a bearish sentiment among traders. Additionally, its futures open interest has remained unchanged in the last 24 hours, reflecting neutral interest from traders. At press time, 51.63% of top traders held short positions, while 48.37% held long positions. When combining all this data, it appears that bears are currently dominating the asset, which may lead to a significant price decline in the coming days. While Cardano deals with bearish forecasts, XRP is riding a wave of positive news. Bitwise, a leading crypto asset management firm, has officially filed with the SEC to launch an XRP ETF. This move marks a significant milestone for XRP, as it could open the doors to more institutional investment and broader market adoption. According to CNBC, the filing is seen as a major step forward for the entire XRP ecosystem. However, despite this positive news, some investors are still looking for quicker gains and more explosive returns, something that meme coins like Popcat and Foxlet Fund have the potential to deliver. Cardano creator speaks out on XRP case appeal. New crypto testing coming? As is now known, the SEC has officially appealed its case against Ripple following a historical ruling on August 7th, in which Ripple was ordered to pay a $125 million civil penalty, which was a lot less than the $2 billion the regulator was asking for. The motive is that the district court's decision goes against long-standing Supreme Court precedents and established securities laws. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderete, said he was disappointed with the SEC's decision. He called the lawsuit irrational and misguided from the start and mentioned that the court had already rejected the SEC's claim that Ripple acted recklessly and that there were no allegations of fraud, victims, or losses. Alderete's comments drew a reaction from Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, who ironically suggested that the ongoing Ripple case could potentially replace the Howey test, the legal precedent used to determine whether certain transactions qualify as investment contracts under U.S. securities law. Stu, you ready to replace Howey with the Ripple test? Smiley face. Charles Hoskinson, October 3rd, 2024. Of course, it is a sort of joke from Hoskinson. But considering that Howey was set in 1946, when the founders of XRP and Ripple were not even involved in the project, and that the Ripple case has become a focal point for many in the cryptocurrency market, it may not be so far from reality. Many people in the industry think this case is a key moment for getting some clarity on the rules around digital assets, and the outcome could set new standards in securities law regarding crypto. Fake Cardano token migration emails target ADA holders. After Cardano's Chong hard fork went live on September 1st, a wave of scam emails began targeting ADA holders, falsely claiming a need for a token migration to a new version 2 ADA token. The community responded to this fraud. Drip Drops, the Cardano token distribution platform, verified that there had been no modifications to the ADA token and warned users to reject fake email. These emails are designed to deceive users into believing that they must migrate their ADA tokens to a new version 2 ADA token to continue using the ecosystem. The emails contain false claims that this migration is required and direct recipients to a phishing website where they are prompted to connect their crypto wallets. The essence of the fraud is an effort to deceive customers into giving up control of their wallets under the premise of forced migration. Once on the fake website, victims are instructed to complete the migration process by connecting their wallets, which allows scammers to gain unauthorized access to their funds. The email creates urgency by falsely claiming that users only have 30 days to complete the token migration. It warns that after this period, their ADA tokens would supposedly become worthless. This is entirely misleading, as the Chong hard fork did not require any migration or changes to the ADA tokens themselves. The community responded to this fraud. Drip Drops, the Cardano token distribution platform, verified that there had been no modifications to the ADA token and warned users to reject bogus mailings. Cardano delegates, such as input endorsers, have expressed worries, albeit the source of the scammer's email list is unknown, prompting fears about a potential data breach. To protect themselves, ADA holders are urged to remain vigilant, avoid clicking on unsolicited links, and ensure they use separate, secure devices for cryptocurrency transactions. These precautions help minimize exposure to such phishing attacks and potential fraud. And that's a wrap for today's Cardano news. Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.